again, everyone. JaLingo's proverb of the week is, if you can't get turkey, you have to satisfy with Jancro. This means if you cannot attain a turkey, you will just have to be satisfied with a Jancro. No well-thinking Jamaican would be caught dead with a portion of crow's meat in his plate. However, this proverb simply advises us to be prepared to accept situations that may not be to our liking for peace sake. Sometimes second best is not so bad after all. There will be times when you can't have what you want and you have to settle for what you're given. This also means more often than not, these times come when you least expect them. So again, be grateful and appreciate what you have while you have it. Related proverb, take what you get until you get what you want. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.